What if I told you a token crashed 95% and then rebounded to a new all-time high in the same day? Or that a coin literally named after flatulence is about to hit $1 with a $1 billion market cap? I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this is your Crypto Pulse, where the market makes less sense every day, but we're here to help you navigate it anyway. Welcome back to Crypto Pulse, your twice-daily dose of what actually matters in crypto. If you're new here, I break down the most important market moves and give you actionable insights without the fluff. Let's dive straight into today's market conditions. Bitcoin is holding steady above $84K with minimal movement in the past 24 hours. Ethereum is slightly up at $1,604. But the real action is happening with Solana, up over 4% and outperforming all major cryptocurrencies. Looking at sector performance, we're seeing impressive gains across the board. DeFAI up almost 8%, DEX platforms up 6.3%, lending protocols up 7.8%, and memecoins leading the charge with an 11.2% surge. The overall market sentiment is still in fear territory at 33.44, but that's actually an improvement from last week. Now for our first major story, and it's a wild one. Base launched a controversial token called Base is for Everyone that experienced one of the most dramatic price cycles I've ever seen. After surging to a $17 million market cap, it crashed 95% when three wallets allegedly profited $666,000 from pre-announcement purchases. But here's where it gets interesting. The token has since rebounded to a new all-time high of $22.5 million. Base clarified they didn't create or profit from the token, calling it an experiment in content monetization. But critics are calling it a rug pull that damaged trust in the Coinbase-backed L2. This points to a bigger trend we're seeing with content coins. Are they the future of monetization or just speculative instruments? The jury's still out. Meanwhile, Fartcoin continues its remarkable run, now trading at 89 cents with an $890 million market cap. The token has gained over 66% just this week, and on-chain analysis shows a single whale purchased 11.21 million tokens worth nearly $10 million at an average price of 89 cents. Technical indicators suggest a push toward the symbolic $1 milestone is imminent, with analysts projecting prices could reach $1.24, $1.52 by year-end. Bullish scenarios even target $2.03 if current momentum continues. Yes, we're talking about a coin named after flatulence potentially reaching a $3 billion market cap. Welcome to crypto in 2025. On a more serious note, we're tracking significant institutional movements. Galaxy Digital has transferred 49,681 ETH, that's $79.37 million, to exchanges over the past 5 days, reducing their holdings to just 200 ETH. This coincides with Fed Chair Powell's warnings that tariffs are likely to push inflation up, erasing hopes for a May rate cut. The correlation between these ETH transfers and Powell's comments suggests institutional players may be repositioning amid growing macroeconomic concerns. Looking ahead, here are key events to monitor. Trump token faces a massive $336 million unlock tomorrow, April 18th. Radium has launched LaunchLab challenging Pump.Fun in the meme coin space. zkSync is addressing a recent security breach where an admin wallet was compromised. And the SEC is holding its third crypto policy roundtable on April 25th. The Trump token unlock is particularly notable as it represents 20% of circulating supply with market depth of only $2 million. This could trigger significant volatility. So what should you do with all this information? Review your portfolio for exposure to upcoming token unlocks, especially Trump token. Consider taking profits on memecoins showing parabolic growth patterns. Monitor Galaxy Digital's continued ETH transfers for signs of broader institutional selling. Watch Base tokens recovery as an indicator of the market's appetite for content coins. Remember, in volatile markets like these, risk management is more important than chasing gains. That's your Crypto Pulse for now. The next update drops in 12 hours. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more market intelligence. Share your thoughts on content coins versus meme coins in the comments below. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. See you in the next Pulse.